Yes, I was an avid runner. Had always lifted weights, played all sports. Always had a lot of pain, but was told about Dr. Talac from a lady at work. She highly recommended him. She had a bulging disc. He'd fixed it. She was back within 3 weeks, and she's a runner. So it was getting bad enough. I'd been to pain management, was not helping. So came to Dr. Talac, and as soon as he saw me and did the X-ray, he said, "Oh no, your back's broke." And so of course I was dying. I was about to die. That I've sat here and ran on this. Marathons, done obstacle courses, and here it is broke, and I'd went a year of pain management not knowing it. So he said, "This is what we're going to do. This is the plan. Let's get you in here, get MRIs, get X-rays, get you fixed. I want you to run again." He said, "Because that's what I know you want to do, is run again." And that was my passion. That is my passion. It's a stress reliever. So surgery day, of course, I was extremely nervous. Had never went through a major surgery, and I was scared to death. But as soon as Dr. Talac walked in the room, of course, he made me start laughing, cutting up with me, and making me feel extremely comfortable, letting me know step 1, 2, 3, exactly what they were going to do. Calmed my nerves, because I've never done anything like that before. Surgery went great. After surgery, first person I saw was Dr. Talac, and he was reassuring me how well it went. So he said, it's going to be a long road, and it was more than what we thought, but it's going to be okay. And we'll go through therapy, and we'll get over this hurdle, and you will run again. You will be back at your normal. He said, "I'm not promising 3 to 6 months." He said, "But one day we will get back there." So it was awesome. And I'm running now, not 5Ks yet, not marathons yet, but I am running maybe a mile a day, just trying to work myself up to that. I feel great. Everybody still has their aches and pains, but still, compared to where I was a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I'm 100% better, 110% better. But as far as my ability to move like I want to, run like I want to, and do the things I want to do, it's great, because like I said, a year and a half, 2 years ago, I couldn't do anything, barely get out of the bed. My fiance had to help me get out of the bed a lot of mornings. So now to be able to get up on my own and put my own clothes on is a huge feat. But to be able to get out there and run and enjoy life is because I'm 30 years old. So that was the biggest thing for me, is getting out and enjoying life again, and be able to do the things I want to do, and not be able to have to sit on the couch all day.
That's right.
From the day they walk in, what they can expect is a friendly face, just from the front counter all the way back to the office. And as soon as you meet Dr. Talac, you're going to love him. I ended up, now there's 2 ladies that I know that have come here because of my recommendations, and then 2 ladies before me had come here, and we joke about Dr. Talac all the time, about how much we love him, about how funny he is, and how comfortable he makes you feel, how in detail he explains to you what's wrong and makes you feel comfortable, and lets you know, I will try everything in my power to get you back to where you need to be. And there was no question. As soon as I come to Dr. Talac, I knew this was my doctor, and this is who was going to fix me, and that's all I was worried about.